In this video, we will discuss the investment in share as on 1st April 2021 and market outlook thereof. In this slide, we will discuss the technical analysis of Nifty 50 with the help of moving averages and candlestick chart. We will also discuss the resistance level of Nifty 50 and market outlook. So, in this chart, I have shown the closing price of Nifty 50 index along with 20 days, 50 days and 200 days moving averages. You can see in last 1 year, index was above 20 days moving average for most of the time. But only in say last 1 or 2 months, market is moving sideways and closing of Nifty 50 has dipped below 20 days moving average and sometimes it has dipped below 50 days moving averages. So at present, trend is not clear and the same is discussed with the help of next chart in which I have shown the movement of closing price of Nifty 50 in March along with other moving average just to give more emphasis what was happening recently. The closing price of Nifty 50 in last 4-5 session, previous session was below 20 days moving average. Only on today, that is 1st April 2021, closing price of Nifty 50 is above 20 days moving average. So market is showing the sign of revival, but more or less if we see the trend of last 2 months, it is in sideways movement and market is searching for the direction. We still don't know whether market will move up or down. The key resistance level is 15,300. Unless until market decisively break this resistance level, we cannot say the market is in bullish phase. Nifty 50 closing I have discussed with the help of candle chart also. This also shows or reinforces the same conclusion that market is in sideways movement. These are the different resistance level and support level. So next resistance level is 15,332 and support level is 14,738. The market or Nifty 50 was at highest on 16th February 2021 and the index was 15,431. So unless Nifty 50 moves above this level, that is 15,431, we cannot say, only then we can say that market has entered in the bullish phase. The market outlook. As you know, in last 10 years, growth investing has given good return, but now there may be a shift towards value investing. Already there is a steep hike in the prices of metal, and if you see the recent events, increase in the US bond yields, so those events indicate that there may be inflation. So in inflation, commodity stocks may do well. So company producing steel, metals, zinc, copper, etc. may benefit. And if there is a revival in capital investing, so company like ABB, Siemens may benefit. Company like L&T may also benefit. And if a lot of road and ports are constructed, then demand of cement will increase. So cement manufacturing company may also benefit. At present, hotel, travel, airlines is beaten down due to impact of COVID. If COVID is effectively controlled, that is number is very low and the vaccination of more than 70% population is achieved in next 6 months. So we may see the revival in these sector also, which were beaten down due to demand destruction due to COVID. This video is for academic purpose only. There is no recommendation. If somebody wants to invest, they may seek independent opinion. If you like the video, you can share with your friends, and if you like, you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for giving your time. Thank you.